Okay, guys, this is going to be our topic for today. We are going to perform a workshop about problem solving using linear equations, quadratic, exponential, and logarithmic functions, okay? So we are going to do only these 5 exercises. As you can see, the first one and the last one are about problem solving using linear equation systems. And these 3, the B, C, and the D, are graphics you're going to draw. You're going to graph, indeed. So I highly recommend you to start with the first one and the last one, because these one are the most, not hardest, but these 2 points are going to spend you more time. So these 2, not so much, but these 2, you're going to spend time because you are going to need to take these words and transform it into algebraic expressions. And that takes time. So this is my recommendation, but do whatever you want, okay? So good luck and thank you for your attention. And I'm going to be here. I'm not going to end this call. I'm going to stay here for if you have questions or whatever you have, okay? So that's all. Bye-bye.